20 years I've been in the 20 years. It's a long time. I have not ever rooted for a team. I don't know.
You're in high school here now.
Don't you want this to be a great year?
Yes, I do want this to be a great year.
Then let's go!
Let's go! Oh.
Welcome to the Ravens Report. Thanks for watching. I'm John.
And I'm Dylan. It's Monday, September 19th, National Butterscotch Pudding Day and National Talk Like a Pirate Day.
Shiver me timbers, matey.
Very good.
Let's get to today's announcements. Ridgeview's back to school night is tonight. Parents, families, and students can come to Ridgeview to meet the teachers, tour the building, and learn about cool opportunities.
A huge thank you to everyone who came to the back to school dance on Friday night. It was very well attended and we had a lot of fun. We are looking forward to the next dance, which will be homecoming on October 14th. Stay tuned for details. Students will be sent a survey in the next couple of days asking for feedback on the dance and suggestions for spirit days and themes. Please provide your opinions for making Ravens spirits soar.
Football had a tough loss on Friday night. Thanks for everyone coming out to support them. They'll need you again this Friday as they look to bounce back versus Pendleton. Go Ravens!
The Ridgeview cross-country team competed in the Northwest Classic on Saturday in Eugene. Gavin Taylor was our first Raven in the varsity race with a time of 17 minutes and 15 seconds, followed by Nathan Liddell in 18 minutes and 39 seconds, and Jack Hardy in 19 minutes and 18 seconds. In the boys JV race, Jason Bowvey was the first Raven in 22 minutes and 53 seconds. Morgan Shaw finished in 20 minutes and 4 seconds. And E.V. West was our second Raven in a time of 21 minutes and 21 seconds. Go Ravens.
Sophomores, there is a meeting to talk about lip sync on Tuesday at lunch in Miss Carroll's room, A1215. All sophomores are welcome. They'll explain what it is and then start planning. Bring your lunch.
If you're interested in being a part of the Future Business Leaders of America, come to FBLA's lunch meeting on Wednesday in Mr. Graville's room, A139.
If you have not picked up your Chromebook, you need to do so. They are in the library, ready for you, and there are over 50 that have not been picked up. Please stop by and get yours today.
Have you ever thought about traveling to Europe? The International Studies program has just 5 spaces remaining for the Spring Break 2023 trip to Austria, Germany, and Switzerland. If you're interested in learning more about the cost, fundraising, and $200 enrollment bonuses available through September 30th, attend Back to School Night tonight and visit the International Studies program table.
And now a news package about the new computers for the media wing.
Over the summer, some changes got made here at Ridgeview.
I can't believe they waited until I left.
Many students at Ridgeview came here this last Wednesday expecting the same thing they've been used to. However, they did not expect this pleasant surprise.
I'm very excited about the new computers. The district got us everything we could have wanted for all of the special effects work and 3D rendering that we're going to be doing this year. So it's awesome.
We asked some of the current students here what they thought.
Because they're extremely nice and I want one.
But what are these computers? Republic of Gamers is the name, and these towers contain an NVIDIA RTX 3070 graphics card. Sources claim it is for rendering.
These computers run all my games fantastically, especially Fortnite.
Everything we could have wanted for all of the special effects work and 3D rendering that we're going to be doing this year. 3D rendering.
It's true, these computers are great for rendering. However, they are also great for gaming. DJ Holloway is a notorious gamer, known for talking with his students about video games. These computers are powerful tools, and we can only hope they are treated as such. Reporting live, Ridgeview High School, this has been Ravens Bias News Network.
Mr. Holloway wants to remind everyone that obviously this news package was for entertainment and that we really are using the computers for their intended purposes. We really are very thankful.
And that's our show for today. As always, check out our YouTube page at youtube.com/RidgeviewRavens. I'm John.
And I'm Dylan. Have an epic day. Stay safe and stay classy.